Hello everyone, welcome back to CS for All. So this will be the first video of our course where we will be setting up the environment required for building the project. So you can notice the Android simulator over here. Well, I am using the Android Studio for this, but it's quite heavy for a normal average day laptop. So you don't need to worry about it. You don't have to use this simulator. If your machine supports, then you can, but otherwise you don't have to. You can use your physical device and you will not have to connect through USB. We will be using an app called Expo by which we will be using this. You don't need to connect it by USB or anything. So first we will need to install Expo in our machine. So let's go to my browser. So first we will search Expo. See, click on the first link that appears, which is the documentation page where you will get all the necessary details for the installation of the Expo. So for Expo, we will first need to install Node.js. So let's do that quickly. So download the LTS version for Node.js, which is the most recommended one. So yes, download it. So yes, this is the Node.js wizard. So let's install the Node.js quickly and proceed with our course. Next, accept the terms and agreements. Next, select the destination where you want to save the Node.js application. Next, no need to do anything over here. Next, you can check this. It will not be any problem, but I will prefer not checking it and leave it as it is. And you can click on the install. I have already installed Node.js, so I will not be installing it, but you will press install over here. So after you have installed your Node.js, we will be needing one more thing, which is the GitHub, the Git desktop version. So search Git desktop and click on the first link that appears. And download for Windows 64-bit. Yes, we'll be downloading it. It is a bit big application, but don't worry. You can also not do this now. You can do this at the end of the course if you like. It is not at all necessary for this course. Means when you will upload your project to GitHub, then you will need this. But apart from all, for making the app, you don't need this. So you can just skip this process. So I have already installed GitHub desktop, so it is not showing anything for me. But you can go and install it. So after we have installed the Node.js and Git, we will check in the command line the versions to make sure it is properly installed. If you are on Mac OS or Linux, you can install a Watchman, but I will not do it since mine is Windows. So I will just go to my command line. So to open command line, you will have to go to the Windows button on the right corner and then or search over here and search CMD, and this will open the command prompt. So this is my command prompt. So now we have opened our command prompt and I will check whether the node is installed or not. So remember this command node -s version, and this will check which version of node you are in. This command will check which version of node we are using, and it will make sure we have installed the Node.js correctly. So you can see the version on the screen. That means we have installed Node.js. And next we will be confirming for npm, which we will be using for installing other things inside the project. So the same command npm version. So yes, it is in our machine too. So don't worry about the npm version. If you have installed Node.js, it will be installed automatically too. And if it does not install, just leave a comment out there. I will try to help. So next we'll be checking the Git version which you have installed. You can skip this process as I said earlier. So we'll be checking that. So yes, you can see that Git is also installed perfectly. So let's continue with the other one. So next we will be taking a look at the other things we will need to install. So first we will install the VS Code editor, which I think most of you have already installed since you all do DSA or any other programming languages. So I hope it is installed. If not, you can go to this website and download it for Windows or Mac, whatever machine you are in. I have already installed VS Code, so I will not be installing it and showing it how to do. If you have any problem, you can post your queries in the comment section. Otherwise I will not be showing it. So you can save and install VS Code. So next we will be installing yarn. So let's open it. So the command for installing yarn is npm install global yarn. So let's quickly install that. So you can press enter, and after some time it will get installed, but I have already installed it, so I will not be installing it. I will show you that it is perfectly installed like the other we have done before, like npm version, node version, and this will be the similar as yarn version. So yes, it is downloaded perfectly. So next we will be installing expo. So let's do that. You can press enter and expo will be installed, or there is another command by which you can install expo, which is yarn add expo client. So for this step we installed yarn, and it will be required in the future steps as well. So I will be showing it that I have expo installed, like the same doing expo version. So this expo installation might take you a longer time, but don't worry, leave it as it is and it will be installed nicely. So next is a step where I will show you how to use the Android simulator. So you can search so this is the application which you need to install, which is Expo Go. You can download it from Google's Play or App Store on your own Android mobile. For the course I will be showing you how to do it via this mobile. So this is my simulator, and see, this is the Expo Go app. So just go to the Play Store over here and installed expo. I will not be showing that because you all are smart enough to do that. So install expo, create an account, and then come back here. So next we will connect to expo. See, we are already logged in. So see, we have already logged in as user. I made a slight mistake over here by logging as a new user, doing yes, but you don't need to do it. Just click no and you will be good to go. So this is the first part of the environment setup video. There will be a second part which you will be seeing it soon, where the complete environment setup process will be complete. So this is all for today. If you are able to do everything I showed you in the video and loved it, then drop down a like. It really motivates to continue the course and keep going. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel so that everyone can get the knowledge. Much more details in the comment section and description. See you all in the next video. Bye.